Hello user, my name is Kim, your personal smart home system. In order to proceed, please confirm our data protection and privacy policy by saying, yes, I agree.
Yes, I agree.
Yes, I agree.
I made the choice to be part of the society.
So for my private life, I use Instagram, YouTube, WhatsApp, etc. Keep connected.
Data online. We are investigating the concept of data privacy.
Data privacy paradox.
Even though there are things that I don't like about it, I'm very aware of these aspects of technology, of digital technology, and for example, I actively make an effort to not even look at advertisements. I think that in that case, Facebook knows more about me than I do, maybe about my past. Maybe I forgot that I was friends with that person, but they know when I became friends with that person, probably where I met that person, and these kind of things. I think it's a little bit too much, maybe.
I hear, I see, I learn, I feel, I hear,
Facebook,
I see,
Gmail,
I learn,
Hotmail,
I
Netflix,
feel,
Google,
I
Translate,
hear,
Instagram,
I
Amazon,
see,
Yahoo Mail,
I
Facebook,
learn,
Amazon and
I feel,
eBay,
I
Twitter,
hear,
Google Maps,
I
Weather,
see,
Pinterest,
I
PayPal,
learn,
you.
I feel human, fragments, go to perfection, every second of your attention, human fragments, go to perfection, every segment has its connections. I see what you see, I know what you need. I see what you see, see. Smile, I know what you mean.
Hello, Caroline. Thank you for activating Kim. From now on, your wish is my command and your life is my creation.